안녕하세요. I'm Naoto, CEO of Adora Inc., based in Tokyo, Japan. I started this company last year, 2023, July, and we have been invested by venture capitals, including Lotte Venture Japan, East Venture, etc. And let me cast a quick question to you before I explain our product. When did you start using your smartphone? Maybe when you were in teen or 20s? Today, according to Google's research, children start using smartphone from 8 years old at median. So a lot of children use smartphone like maybe 5 or 6 or 7 years old as well. It's younger than you expected, maybe. But around 90% of parents have concerns on this. You know, the biggest concern is how their children use social media, including KakaoTalk or Instagram, etc. Because children can get bullied or involved in harassment or crime and many risks on these applications easily. But existing services like Family Link by Google or Family Sharing by Apple or Them by SKT, these services are not supporting these major parents' concerns, basically. That's why we started building application called Adora. Adora supports basic parental control features like screen time management, or in-app purchase block, or real-time GPS map and location history. Or it also supports smartphone walking block, smartphone B block, or sexual selfie detection. It detects sexual selfie before they send a sexual selfie to someone online. But the main core feature, value proposition of Adora is this: unsafe chat detection. This is quite unique feature, feature that existing services are not supporting. Basically, our AI can detect unsafe messages on your child's smartphone's social media applications if parents, if your child is talking with someone, stranger or maybe classmate, and getting bullied on KakaoTalk or Instagram or X or Snapchat, whatever, we can detect. If you install our application on your child phone, our AI can find, because our AI can monitor every messages and find whether, okay, this is safe or this is unsafe or something like that. Then you can protect your children before your child get involved in these kind of things and get the situation even worse, basically. And overall, our application is only one parental control application that protects children. The business model is freemium. If you pay around $7, you can use all the features, including these unsafe chat detection, etc. And traction, we started our company and this product last year, but last 1 year, we got around 90,000. Actually, it's 100,000 users today. And a lot of users keep using the application after installed, so it also means a lot of enthusiast users are loving the application. In behind of this, our application is covered by many media globally. Also, we are getting users through marketing as well. But strongly, we are collaborating with telecom companies like SoftBank, maybe you know, or Docomo or KDDI. So if you go to these telecom shops, telecom stores, the staff will explain and recommend, why don't you install Kodamamo and purchase premium plan? Then like we can get a little premium subscribers from these kind of things. We are discussing with SKT and KT to collaborate more in Korea as well. And the market, actually, yeah, a lot of children, more and more small kids start using their smartphone all over the world. And a lot of parents all over the world worry about this. So the market is becoming larger and larger. And actually, there are existing services offering unsafe chat detection in China and US. And these are like basically same freemium, subscription. And you need to pay like $9 or $14, but they have around 5 million users, which means a lot of people want to pay money for these kind of things. But in Japan, Korea, and many countries except for China, in Asian countries, there is no services like these or us. So that's why we are going to number one parent account application in Asia and also in the world, except China or US. In fact, we already released our application in Korea this April. And yeah, around 10% of new users are purchasing our premium plan, although they can use our application for free for some features. So, which means like yeah, Korean parents also love our application. That's nice. And we like to become a number one parent application, like I explained, in for upcoming years. In 2027, we are planning to get around 1 million paid users with $100 million ALL, which also means we can become unicorn with these numbers basically if the market is same as today. And also we are building more and more features, applications, like we can detect dementia or scams on elderly people, senior people smartphone. So today more and more senior people start using smartphones, so we can find, okay, this person is getting, forget more and more things. And also our AI is getting more and more personalized because they can look at, the many information on children's smartphone, how they talk, etc. So yeah, the AI can support a lot of things, from study, etc. And lastly, team. I am CEO, but I started this company with Saurabh there. And yeah, I started with him, and this is our full members, 8 full-time members. But as you can see, it's global, and yeah, our company is global from day one. So yeah, it's kind of rare in Japan, but yeah, I'd like to get more and more users in Korea and protect children in Korea, because I know a lot of social issues in Korea, bullying or harassment, right? So we are fundraising. So if you're an investor, please consider investing in us. And also if you want to work collaborate with us, yeah, let's work together. Thank you.